And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Whoa. Good morning. Wasn't too bad last night. Kayla said she didn't get the best night's sleep. She moved her front seat up too far, so her pillow kept on like falling off of the bed in between the front seat and the back seat. But the temp was okay. The bed was good. How you sleep last night?
Okay. Kept waking up a lot.
Was the bed okay for you?
Minus this hump. I'll have to even that out next time.
The futon's a little bit wider than the Jeep, so it goes up a little bit on the sides, you know what I mean? And it was up a little bit higher on her end. Alright, so before we get today's festivities started, we discovered this coffee shop up here, and ever since we've kind of had to go to it every time we're up here.
It's called Lyric Coffee House. It's really good. Morning, y'all. We've made it to our first activity today. We are going on this boat. We are taking a two-nation tour. We're gonna see some cool stuff. Does Millionaire's Row, goes into Canada a little bit.
Does it do Millionaire's Row?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
And we see lighthouses and other stuff, but
Kayla's never been. I don't know if I have been. My mother will have to correct me. I know we've done Millionaire's Row. I just don't know if we've done the Two Nations tour. I think we have, but Ma will have to tell me.
We go into Canada, but you don't need a passport because you don't get off the boat at all in Canada, so.
And then we'll end up back at the castle.
Hey guys.
All right, so this is part of Boldt Castle. What is this, Kayla? Because I don't know what it's called.
This is the Elster Tower, the playhouse.
So this is like where we got married, and this table that we're sitting at is actually like one of our best wedding pictures that we've taken, which I'll obviously put on the screen right now.
We were supposed to get married down here at this tower. Behind it, there's a gazebo we can show you. And on the other side of the tower, there's stairs. I was supposed to be able to walk down the stairs, meet my dad at the bottom, and then walk up to the gazebo. But according to the workers, there was a little bit of rain.
It was
Didn't believe them. It was misting.
It was like a mist in the sky.
And they told us they didn't want to have to move the chairs from the terrace on the side of the castle, we'll show you, where we did actually get married, to down here. Everybody in the wedding party volunteered that we would move it so we could have it out here, because it didn't rain during our ceremony at all, but they wouldn't let us. But still a beautiful place to get married.
So I've decided that I'm not actually gonna bring you guys like on the inside of it. If you want to do that, I'm sure there's like virtual tours and stuff that you can find on the internet if you haven't actually gone in Boldt Castle.
Or take a look at our Facebooks. We've posted a bunch of pictures over the years, or you can see our wedding photos that Cara took. I can't walk upstairs and talk.
But I mean, like, most of the people that watch these videos are like our family and friends, so chances are you've been in the castle.
And here's the stairs. I would have came down right here.
Oh yeah, right here.
I would have come all the way down this part. My dad would have been right here. And then that's the gazebo where we wanted to get and hope to get married. So, when we were supposed to get married at the tower, I was going to get ready in the tower. But because we got married on the terrace, I had to get ready right in that room. So me and my girls were all in there. And then the other perk of getting married on the terrace is we were able to come inside here and take pictures. So we got some pictures right over here in this corner, if John turns it around. Just a little cool tidbit. So this is where we got married, since it was supposedly raining, right up there. So I walked around that corner. They have seats all right here, and then I came from around that corner with my dad. And he was right there. Got to get back to the mainland.
Whoa.
And crash.
Oh.
Going back?
Alexandria back.
Perfect. Thank you.
Watch your step.
Thank you. Okay. There's one last thing that we gotta do. Technically, we've already done it, but it's so goddamn hot that we're gonna take one more dip in the water. Not dip, kinda dip, before we head out of here. I got sneakers on, so I gotta change. Alright, let's go.
It's much better.
Kayla, come on, man. We've discussed this like 1,000 times.
What did we discuss? I can't help it.
How clumsy you are, and you shouldn't be doing things like this.
You're just saying to try.
She just fell for like, I don't know, the 100th time this weekend.
No, it's not.
It's been one night. Didn't show you guys this, but now while we're on the subject. Oh dear. You alright? Okay. Fine. Oh, I just kicked a rock.
Why'd you do that?
That one right there, see it?
Kick rocks.
Final words to the friends and fam who watch our videos.
Thanks for coming along on our journey. Hope you enjoyed the St. Lawrence like we do, every time.
Alright. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. There's 101. See ya.
I didn't fall.
Goodbye.
I didn't fall. Thank you.